Forest resources. The term forest refers to natural vegetation of trees that grow close together over a large area. You know that plants and trees that grow naturally without the help of humans is natural vegetation. Today, much of the original natural vegetation has been removed to make way for buildings, roads and agriculture. Much of it has also been destroyed by natural forces such as storms or fires. At present, most of the remaining original natural vegetation can be seen only in the equatorial regions and in mountain areas in the temperate and Arctic zones. Tropical forests. These are found between 23° north and 23° south latitudes. Some of the forests here are evergreen, while others are deciduous. The tropical evergreen forests are found where the annual rainfall is very heavy and temperatures are high throughout the year. These are generally found closer to the equator and are also called tropical rainforests. These forests are dense and have a thick canopy that hardly allows any sunlight to reach the lower layers. Rosewood, mahogany, cinchona and ebony are some of the commonly found trees in tropical evergreen forests. The tropical deciduous forests are found in areas with lesser rainfall and a hot climate. These forests are commonly called monsoon forests. These are open forests and the trees are not very tall. As sunlight reaches the lower layers, there is a good growth of shrubs and bushes. Teak, sal, shisham and bamboo are the commonly found trees in tropical deciduous forests. In India, the tropical evergreen forests are found in the northeastern states, parts of West Bengal, along the Western Ghats and in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The tropical deciduous forests are found almost all over India. Along the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats, northeastern parts of the peninsular plateau, foothills of the Himalayas and the eastern parts of the northern plains. Temperate forests. These are found in the mid-latitudes between 30° and 50° latitudes, both north and south of the equator. Here again, you will find both evergreen and deciduous forests. The temperate evergreen forests are found in areas with mild winters and abundant rainfall throughout the year. These are generally of two types, broadleaf and needleleaf. The broadleaf evergreen forests have medium-sized trees with small leathery leaves such as evergreen oaks, laurels, and magnolia. The needleleaf evergreen forests are found only in southeastern U.S. and consist mainly of pine trees. The temperate deciduous forests are found in areas with wet summers and cool frosty winters. The trees are broadleaf with a dense canopy in summer and shed their leaves in winter. The main trees are birch, beech, ash, elm and maple. These forests are found almost entirely in the northern hemisphere. Taiga forests. These forests are found between 50° and 70° latitudes in Eurasia and also in North America, where they are referred to as boreal forests. They are also found on mountains in the lower latitudes. These are evergreen coniferous forests with cone-shaped trees that have straight trunks and small narrow needle-like leaves. Red pine, white pine, spruce, firs, and larches are the main trees found in these forests. In India, coniferous forests are found on the higher slopes of the Himalayas in Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Arunachal Pradesh. Wildlife. Wildlife is an inherent part of forests. They are a part of the ecosystem and forests provide their habitat. Wildlife includes animals, birds, insects and many other microorganisms. Each one has a role to play in the ecosystem. Therefore, each species is important for the survival of the other. However, it is common knowledge now that many wildlife species have become extinct, while many others have been added to the endangered list. According to the Living Planet study conducted by WWF, Worldwide Fund for Nature. From 1995 to 2005, the decline in wildlife is estimated to be 10,000 times more rapid than ever. What has led to such a decline? The report has attributed the reasons to climate change, loss or destruction of natural habitat, pollution, and overexploitation of certain species, for example, in wildlife trade. What is extinction? Natural extinction happens when the last of the species dies due to environmental changes caused by climate change or natural disasters. Often new species that are better suited to the changed conditions replace the extinct ones, but it is a very slow process. Presently, however, the rapid extinctions that are taking place are not natural but human-made. Endangered species are those plants and wildlife that are so small in number that they face the risk of becoming extinct. Roughly 99% of all endangered species face the risk of extinction because of human activities. So, human beings are thought to be the greatest threat to biodiversity. Panda, Panamanian golden frog, Lear's macaw in Brazil, etc. are some of the few endangered species of the world. National parks. National parks are areas set aside by the national government to preserve the natural environment. They also serve the purpose of recreation and public enjoyment centers for historic or scientific interests. The entire landscape in these parks, along with the plants and animals, are kept in their natural state. Canada, US, Great Britain, Africa, Japan, India, Brazil and Australia have many large national parks. National parks in India. India has 59 national parks and 372 sanctuaries. There are 1,200 species of birds and 350 species of mammals in the forests of India. In addition, the Run of Kutch, Gujarat, is the world's largest natural breeding place for flamingos. A sanctuary is a space set aside for the exclusive use of and protection for animals. Polar bear, cheetah, and manatee are some threatened species which may face extinction. Olive ridley turtles visit the coasts of Odisha to breed every year between October and May. The largest national park in India is the Hemis in Jammu and Kashmir, 3,350 square kilometer, followed by the Desert National Park in Rajasthan, 3,162 square kilometer. There are numerous animals and birds that are endemic to India alone. The Himalayan wolf, Salim Ali's fruit bat, Broughton's free-tailed bat, Sumatran rhinoceros, Indian vulture, Namdapha flying squirrel, Malabar large-spotted civet, and pygmy hog are some of the critically endangered species of India. Visit http://intreasures.com/india.html to find out about the unique species in India.